your favorite cartoon TV series called Total Life Story. Yeah, you get to eat them chicken there. No, you won't, you silly. We'll get to watch stories in the Tokoloff City. Oh, I forgot. Yes, we'll watch the TV series.
National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Rutherford County, Middle Tennessee, South Central Wilson County, Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 15 miles south of Nolensville, or 16 miles southwest of Murfreesboro, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro and Walkerville. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.